Hey everyone, welcome to my very first video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this ostrich feather top. Here's what you'll need. You need a bra that's nude or the same color as the feathers. Ostrich feather trim, I used about 8 yards in total. A hot glue gun and scissors. First, I started off by laying the pieces on top of the bra to get an idea of where I wanted to place the trim. Since I wanted it to look like a crop top, I added length by using the trim. I stacked 2 strands of trim together and glued it to the bottom of the bra with the feathers facing down. I also added another row to make it look fuller. When you're done, it should look something like this. Next, I started gluing strips of trim, but this time with the feathers facing up. This is what makes it look fluffy. The first time I made this top, I had the feathers facing down and it made it look more like fringe. I would suggest gluing at the top so the feathers don't get away. I just wanted to see what it would look like and if it would blend in nicely with the bottom row. Here's what it'll look like once you keep adding more. Eventually, it'll cover the band and blend in with the bottom row. Now I'm going to start at the top and just cover the whole bra in trim. I only layered the trim at the top and the bottom rows. For the inside rows, I just cut single strips and glued each row close together so it covered the band. During this process, I didn't really measure anything. I just kind of eyeballed it and just went with it. Here's what it'll look like when one side is completed. Then I just basically did the same thing to the other side. This roughly took me about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to do. This step is optional, but if you wanted to use extra trim, you can cover the back or you can just leave it as is. And voila, you have your ostrich feather top. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more DIY videos, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.